guys, welcome to my channel. This is Vinay and today I'm going to show you what are classes and objects. And let's start with this without wasting any time. So let's draw two balls here, two circles. Okay, let's consider them as a class. So let's say this is a so let's first make two balls inside it. Okay, so let's say that this is a class A and this is a class B. As I told you before, a class is just a container that contains methods, any variables, anything. Functions, special functions are known as the methods, if you don't know what methods is. And okay, so if you see that these two balls here that a class contains are known as methods. So you will understand them very easily when I will show you in the code. So these are the methods, and let's see, if you create a bridge here like this, and let's say this A class can access these two objects of the B class, then the process known as inheritance. You just remember this, what I told you, and when I will show you in the code you will understand it very easily. So this is known as inheritance. When the A class access the members, access those variables, access those methods of the other class, known as the inheritance. So it's just a simple class and objects. And now I have told you what a class is, what methods are, what is inheritance. So now what are objects? If you have a class here, this is a class A. If you want to create an object of this class, you just do you will write the name of that object, like let's say ob1 is equals to it's a syntax, and then you write the name of that class A and just parentheses. Okay, so this is the syntax of creating an object. This ob1 now can access to all the data methods, all those methods that you have defined inside this class, and it's just it's just that easy. You don't have to just think that okay, there's class and methods, those objects are really difficult thing to understand. This is it, and this is a short tutorial just to tell you what is a class object, and let's see it in the code. And thank you so much. Let's see you in the next video.